I have been at the top of the table. Well, I have been at the bottom of the table, and I fucking choose to be at the top of the table every single time. I have to face my problems. I show up with full of emotions, wearing the RCB t-shirt, and put my ass in front of the TV with a cheerful face. You listen to me and you listen well. Are you behind on your run rate? Good. Pick up the bat and hit the boundary. Is the opponent smashing you for a six? Good. Pick up the ball and aim for the wicket. Is your mind saying that you have let your fans down? Good. Pick up your emotions and start performing. I want you to deal with your problems and bring the cup home. ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ಪು ನಮ್ದೇನೆ.
ಗುರು ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯಾಕೋ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಉದುರಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡದ್ ಮಾರೆ?
ಇನ್ನ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಉಗಿಯೋದಿತ್ತ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ ಆಡ್ತಿದಾರೆ ಪಾಪ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.